Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to fix the Lazy Spa error code E02. This code can be frustrating, but with our clear instructions, you'll be able to resolve it swiftly and get back to enjoying your spa. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Understand the error code. E02 error code. E02 typically indicates a water circulation issue within your Lazy Spa. This means that the water is either not circulating properly or there may be an issue with the heating system. Knowing this can help you troubleshoot effectively. Step 2. Check the water level. Ensure that the water level in your Lazy Spa is adequate. If the water level is too low, the pump may struggle to circulate water, resulting in the E02 error. The water should be above the minimum requirement marked on the spa. Step 3. Inspect the filter. A clogged or dirty filter can impede water flow, triggering the E02 error. Remove the filter cartridge and rinse it under running water to remove any debris. If the filter is worn out or excessively dirty, consider replacing it. Step 4. Remove airlocks. Airlocks can occur in the pump system and prevent proper circulation. To fix this, turn off the spa, disconnect the hose from the pump, and then reconnect it. This can help release any trapped air. Step 5. Examine the hoses. Inspect all hoses for kinks or blockages. Ensure that the hoses are correctly connected and not damaged. If you find any issues, replace the hoses as needed. Step 6. Reset the spa. Sometimes, a simple reset can resolve the error. Turn off your Lazy Spa, unplug it from the power source, and wait for about 10 minutes. Plug it back in and turn it on to see if the error persists. Step 7. Check the pump. If the previous steps did not resolve the issue, examine the pump itself. Listen for any unusual noises when the pump is on. If you suspect that the pump is malfunctioning, you may need to refer to the manufacturer's guidelines for further diagnosis or contact customer support. Step 8. Seek professional help. If you've tried all the above steps and the E02 error still appears, it may be time to seek professional repair services. They can diagnose and fix any underlying issues with your Lazy Spa. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the Lazy Spa error code E02 effectively. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and guides.